Fresh latex is delivered in bulk and stored in sealed tanks before chemical formulation begins. Filters remove particles, so the rubber film forms evenly on molds. The molds are chemically washed to remove residue before coating with latex.
A locked-off eye-level camera shows additional high-pressure de-ioned water spray stations polishing every surface while air knives blow moisture downward.
Drying and heating prepare the molds for uniform latex films.
Molds passing through a surface conditioning spray station, applying a thin coagulant solution from precision nozzles, drip shields guiding excess liquid into collection channels below.
Molds entering infrared preheating ovens, where radiant panels warm surfaces evenly, while sensors track temperature at multiple.
Clean, heated molds now move to dipping lines where condoms are formed. The heated molds dip into latex, forming a thin rubber film.
Multiple lines dip molds at once to maintain consistent thickness.
The coated molds now move toward bead forming and curing. The open edge is rolled into a thick bead to strengthen the condom.
After beading, the rubber is allowed to stabilize before entering curing ovens.
The shaped condoms now move into ovens, where heat will cure the rubber. Hot air ovens cure the rubber, giving it strength and elasticity. After curing, the rubber is ready for extensive washing. Cured condoms now go into washing tunnels to remove residual chemicals.
Hot water washing removes chemical residues from the cured rubber.
Sensors confirm the washing removes chemicals to safe levels. After washing, the condoms go to drying chambers.
Hot air tunnels remove all remaining moisture from the rubber.
Coating makes the condoms powder-free and smooth.
Finished surfaces now move into electronic defect testing lines.
High-voltage scanners detect microscopic holes in the rubber. Inflating here are electronically approved latex condoms, pale beige or cut rubber balloons expanding smoothly.
Inflation tests confirm strength and consistent thickness.
Approved condoms now move forward for lubrication and sterile handling.
stationary downstream camera captures lubricated condoms entering nitrogen-flushing tunnels, where inert gas jets displace oxygen inside open rims before packaging.
The foil pouch protects each condom from air and moisture.
Sealed units now move to automated cartoning lines. Instruction leaflets are added before each carton is sealed.
Retail boxes are grouped into shipping cases for distribution.
Finished pallets are wrapped and prepared for warehouse shipment.
Batch records for Lot 45B match the attached documents.
Confirmed. All digital logs are verified. Final authorization granted.
Because outbound logistics begins after release.
Each pallet is scanned and documented before leaving the facility.